Simplifying exponents using a combination of all the exponent rules. Here we have 3 examples that use a combo of the rules. Our first example. Notice all of our bases are the variable m, so in the end we should only have one m if we simplified everything. Anytime you start with a fraction, write that fraction bar just to help keep things organized. Starting with the top, we have stacked exponents, so we multiply. So this becomes m to the 2 times 4, which is m to the 8. On the bottom, our m's are multiplying, so we need to add the exponents. M to the 2 plus 3 is m to the 5. Now we can simplify one more time, because when the same bases are dividing, we subtract the exponents. And since there are more m's on top, your answer will be on the top. M to the 8 minus 5 is m to the 3. Technically, there was an invisible 1 multiplying by our m on the bottom, so there's an invisible 1 on the bottom of our fraction. But anything divided by 1 is itself, so m to the 3 is our final answer. For our second example, notice there's no fraction, so all of our answers will just be in a line. We have u's and we have v's, so a simplified answer should have one u and one v with some number as an exponent. First, simplify the group in parentheses. Anytime you have an exponent outside of parentheses, it will distribute in and multiply up top. Any variable without an exponent has an invisible 1. So our expression for u becomes u to the 1 times 3, which is u to the 3, and for v becomes 2 times 3, or v to the 6. We have not done anything with these yet, so they'll just come on down. And now everything in here is multiplying, but only combine your similar variables together. So u's with u's and v's with v's. And again, since they're multiplying, the exponents will add. So we get u to the 3 plus 3, which is u to the 6. We get v to the 2 plus 6, which is v to the 8. So this is our final answer. And for the final example, as always, start with that fraction bar. Remember, any numbers out front, any coefficients, will divide like normal. If it doesn't divide evenly, divide both by the biggest number they have in common, in this case 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Next come the x's. There are more x's on bottom, so our x's will stay on bottom. And when using this method of where there are more, subtract the bigger number first. 6 minus 3 gives us x to the 3. And for our y's, there are more y's on top, so our y's will stay on top. 8 minus 2 gives us y to the 6. And lastly, for our z's, more z's on bottom, so our z's will stay on bottom. 4 minus 2 gives us z to the 2. We can clean all this up a little bit more because 1 times y is just y to give us this as our final answer. Well done. Thanks for watching and stick around for more videos.